Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to recover lost streak on Snapchat using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app. Now click on your profile at the upper left corner of your screen. And then the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see I need help right here. So now just go ahead and click on the search bar and type Snapstreaks, or just go ahead and click on the Snapstreaks option. So here, as you can see, at the upper part of my screen, I lost my Snapstreak. How do I restore it? So our support team will not be able to restore your streak for you. But there's these simple steps that you can follow to restore your streak if it is not lost for 7 days or longer. Okay, so just go ahead and follow these simple steps, and that should help you to restore your Snapstreak on your account. And the next thing that you can do is if it is available on your device, okay? Because when you scroll down here, you should see a report an error. So just go ahead and click on that, and then you can just go ahead and simply fill up a form. And once you fill up that form, you just need to wait until Snapchat support will respond on you. Okay, so as I said earlier, that way is depending on if it is available on your mobile device. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.